Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a focus on the ultimate styling tool, the Brazilian Blowout Model 11T22 Prodigital Titanium Flat Iron. Firstly, this flat iron is equipped with titanium plates that deliver an impressive 450 degrees of heat. What does that mean for you? It means smooth, frizz-free hair that lasts. Whether you're using it for a Brazilian blowout treatment or just for your everyday styling needs, this flat iron has got you covered. But what sets the Brazilian Blowout flat iron apart from the rest? It's not just about the results, it's about the experience. The plates heat evenly, ensuring consistent styling from root to tip. Plus, it's suitable for all hair types, so whether you have thick, coarse hair or fine, delicate strands, you can achieve the sleek look you desire. And here's the kicker, it's not just a flat iron. It's part of a complete hair care system. Pair it with the Brazilian Blowout Pro Ionic Blow Dryer for the ultimate styling experience. Don't forget to finish off your look with the Ionic Bonding Spray for added shine and protection. So there you have it, folks. The Brazilian Blowout Model 11T22 Prodigital Titanium Flat Iron isn't just a tool, it's a hair care revolution. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to silky, smooth locks with this must-have styling essential. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy styling!